to you.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, boys? Let's go for a ride. Vin Cheezle's got fiber. I gotta drop off my old cable box. Fiber is nice. And we'll take the Hawk-X. It's another scorcher today, for here anyway. Good day for a bike ride. Any day is a good day for a bike ride though, am I right? Two-wheel therapy is the best therapy. Lots of smiles per gallon. Blade wants to buy this, but I kind of don't want to sell it. I like it. The Hawk DLX he got from me years back. I think he has like 7,000 miles of transmission. When he puts it into third, sometimes it kind of clicks out, which is kind of weird. Any of you guys ever have any transmission problems? I've never heard of any, really. Could be the shift drum, the spring that holds it in gear or something like that. I mean, what else could cause that? Unless the transmission, I mean, I know that the gears are back cut, but he's not knowing to beat on it. And normally it's like first or second gear that would go, because you're trying to pull wheelies. He don't do that. I know if you got to split the case, I'm not getting involved in that one. Kind of don't want to get involved in any of it. I got my own stuff I'm doing. Although it'll probably make a good video. So he's been begging me to buy this one, but I don't think I'm gonna give. I mean, I have whitey, I have gray, you know, the two Grom clones. I have my DRZ 400, which I like that bike. I love that bike. It's my favorite bike. I got a CBR 600 that people have been trying to get back off of me. I have to fix that up. But this is the only China bike 250 I have up here. Of course, in Florida, I have the Leaf-On KPX 250. I like my China bikes. That's right. A few people have been telling me I should get into the scooters. I don't know. I've had scooters, had plenty of scooters. I still have one in my container. One of those Moto Bravos has an issue that I messed with years ago and I never corrected it or solved it. Going down to Florida in a few weeks, boys. Only for about a month this time. Oh yeah, we're in Connecticut where the speed limit's 40, so everybody does 30. Alright, 35 today. I was right. 30. People that say that the people in Florida drive really slow ain't never driven on these roads in Connecticut. I can verify that there are much worse drivers in Connecticut than Florida. At least the places I've driven in Florida and the places I've driven in Connecticut. And I've driven all over Connecticut and pretty much most of Florida. Oh my goodness. Jeez, eat a cheeseburger or something. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Where's the beef?
Now I could ride over to Newtown, which is like 50 minutes away. Spectrum cable. But I think I'm just going to drop it off at UPS because they do the service of delivering it back. It's not enjoyable unless you know all the back roads over there to have to deal with this. Like literally, if you're gonna go 20 miles in Connecticut, it will take you almost an hour. And I'm not joking. So we're gonna do the back roads on the way back, boys. Hawk-X runs good, nice and smooth. Gotta love that counterbalanced. Don't want to stay in a blind spot of these non-drivers. So I did check out Blade DLX. Clutch was kind of really loose, so I don't know if it did, you know, damage shifting, because he says he couldn't get it in neutral sometimes. Not that that's it, but you know, and you can shift without the clutch, but you gotta let off. So maybe I'll compare this shifter to see if it has the same pressure on the shift drum. If it's something as simple as that spring that keeps the shift drum, there's like a little lever that goes in a groove that holds it in gear. If it's as simple as that, I'll help him with that, because that'll only take, you know, half an hour. Today, Junior. See that? Expert drivers. See what I'm talking about? There, and I'll take 2 spots. Good job. Look at that. How's it going? I got stuff going back to Spectrum. I mean, I put it in a box, but...
You can take the box with you. I do not need the box.
Can you throw it for me?
Yeah, I'll throw it out.
Oh, good.
What are you recording for?
I do YouTube. I got motorcycles.
That's kind of cool. You do like reels or just video?
Videos, I turn them into reels. TikTok and, you know, full videos. Because I do e-bikes, motorcycles, all different types of...
Hear you too.
MotoCheez with a Z at the end.
Okay.
See? It's that.
Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. Then you're all set.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Definitely hanging on to this puppy.
Hey, you don't buy motorcycles, do you?
No.
No?
Are you selling one?
Yeah, I got one moving to Georgia. I'm getting rid of everything.
I'll put it on my video. Here.
Yeah?
I do YouTube.
I'm not sure.
You can keep it though. I got it on here.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Right turn only. I could hop that. Wait your turn. People are cray. I need gas. I'll hit up Gumby Lands. Put some soup on. I only have 297 miles on this thing. It's just a baby. Not even broken in yet. Crazy. Let's get away from all this traffic. Ready? Jump! Blip! Yeah, I got a little air. Let's try the next one. Ready? Jump! Yeah, I got a little air. See? Got a little air again. Go see what Candlewood Lake is doing. No swimming. Dykes Point open 8 till noon. Dykes Point. Well, that's not very politically correct. All I could think of is Final Destination with that rolling off on us. You guys see that last one? Man, that was good. They weren't super great movies, but they were pretty darn good. And this one's probably as good as the first. Yeah, there's Dykes Point. And there is the lake. I gotta get the rowboat out here again. Hazy today. Maybe the smoke from Canada? I don't know. It's not even a weekend. People are all over. Wow, look at that. Holy cow, look at all that glass. Oh my God. Oh, the popos. Wow, what the heck are they doing? Smashing some ledge, it looks like. Someone enjoying his break. Definitely a poopy place, mound. And that's the pipe that comes down from Candlewood Lake to go to the electric plant. He had a little monkey on the back. Everybody's going straight, we're going left. Oh, darn it. Except this guy.
Dust kicks up as the throttle winds. Vin Cheezle's out where the blacktop dies. Got a GoPro rolling and a mind full of dreams. Ripping down trails, hear that small engine scream. No city lights, just the stars and trees. With a pocket full of tools and elbow grease. A MotoCheez man built from bolts and pride. Taking the long way, enjoying the ride. He's riding those backcountry roads where the signal's gone but the freedom flows. With a motor singing low and his heart riding high. Kicking up gravel under big blue sky. Yeah, Vin Cheezle don't need no map, just a throttle twist and a gear to slap. He's rolling through life on two-wheel time. Backcountry roads in a state of mind.
No through traffic. Do what I want to.
Stickers on the tank, stories in the paint. Ain't trying to be pretty, just real and quaint. He'll wrench it in the shed till the sun goes down, then light it up and head back out of town. From dirt lane curves to old steel bridges, riding solo through them country ridges. He ain't just riding, he's telling his truth. One carb at a time since he was a youth. He's riding those backcountry roads where the signal's gone.
Yes, it's a thing. This is a 45 speed zone. Oh, slow down, slow down. Slow down. We're already doing 35. Slow down. About all I could stand, and I can't stand no more. I'm doing 45 right now. Is that so hard? Oh, little baby. Have fun. Sorry. Good ride, Hawk-X. And thanks for riding along with me, guys. Till next time. Hawk-X did good.
X gon' give it to you.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.